we rarely get the opportunity to look at a map while making a podcast. But this week has really been a phenomenal week. It's been a very interesting week. This is a very interesting air mass. Right now, you look at the European computer model on the windy.com, you see temperatures, whether this is either the actual temperature or very close to the actual temperatures. We have a place right now, we have in North Dakota right now, we have temperatures which are seemingly in the low to mid 90s. Fargo, Prairie Wood, we have a station at the Hector International Airport. Temperature is 93 degrees. You look over there over the past several hours, we've had right now the dew point 62 degrees, so it's not even that dry. You know, on Sunday, May 28th, the high was 91 degrees, Monday 89, Tuesday 88, yesterday was 93, and today we're at 93 again. It also looks like we saw some precipitation at times. We did see some precipitation, and the dew points have been, generally speaking, low 60s. Yesterday we saw dew points for a time in the mid 60s, and this is, you know, you look over here, so we do see those temperatures in the low to mid 90s. Today, again, we've already hit 93 degrees in that area. The winds are out of the southeast for that city. We're using the European computer model as a way to figure out where the hottest temperatures are, and then we go and we check what it actually is at the observing sites. So again, that city was in North Dakota. We have cities like Wapton, North Dakota. We have a city which we mentioned earlier today, actually earlier this week, where we mentioned the peak heating will be occurring. That's really in Davenport. Right along that border, the Illinois-Indiana border or so. The forecast highs today, low 90s. Same for tomorrow. Highs on Saturday, mid 90s. Now, the place to go there to see what's actually happening is the Quad City International Airport. The high temperature at the Quad City International Airport, this is already the fourth consecutive day with temperatures in the 90s. Right now we have a temperature of 93. The dew point is 60 degrees. Yesterday, when our temperature hit 93, the dew point was 56 degrees, so it wasn't quite as humid, and we had the wind coming out of the southeast yesterday when that happened. The day before, we saw the temperature hit 92 degrees, and the dew point was only 43 degrees. The winds were out of the east, an 80-degree angle, and on Monday, we had that temperature, and it hit 90 degrees. We had the dew point of 41 degrees, so there's definitely been a lot more. Yesterday and today, there's been a lot more energy in the atmosphere for temperatures. Not only are a couple degrees hotter, we even have dew points in the low 60s, and the reporting station has actually been reporting that winds are out of the southwest. The European computer model shows winds are from the southeast, but in reality, we see that the winds are actually out of the southwest at this time. And, you know, we should have checked what the elevation of that city is. Now, one of the reasons why it is so hot in some of these places is because if you look at the drought monitor, you'll see in the drought intensity, so that's going to be the place of peak drought intensity is right over there. It's right over Burlington. That is the place of peak drought intensity. That's what it was yesterday, and it continues to be that way for today.
The National Weather Service has issued an air quality.
Okay, we have an air quality alert in effect, as you may have heard. Exactly, Burlington, Iowa. I mean, I don't know if you can see it so well over here. Maybe there's a better way to do this, but you could see it looks like there's something off with the video situation, but in any case, Burlington, Iowa, Illinois or Iowa, that's really where you have peak drought intensity, and you have a large area to the east which is also experiencing drought. You know, so that's where you're going to get really the hottest temperatures. There are some places, I wonder what it's like in Pittsburgh, in Rochester, New York. Those places are probably brutally hot as well. Take a look over there. We'd have to see, the temperature Well, you take a look over there. We have the temperature forecast high for tomorrow, 94 degrees. This is, if you go over to the Pittsburgh area, you'll see that the temperature right now is 85 degrees, and they don't have much in terms of the humidity. They don't have much in the way for that. But if we go ahead and go straight to Pittsburgh, we should be able to come up with something. Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Forecast high today 90 degrees, high tomorrow 94 degrees. And if we go to the see, they have the University of Pittsburgh. We have this spot over here. They claim to be 95. They say, but I don't think this thermometer is accurate at all. It says station type MADIS, MADIS, and this can't possibly be accurate because it says the Monday high was 99, Tuesday 95, yesterday 93, today 97. That can't possibly be. So we're going to go ahead and that can't be again. That can't be. So let's see, maybe the University of Pittsburgh. Maybe that place is more accurate. We have 82 degrees Monday, 80. I don't know if that place is so accurate either. So I don't know what place is accurate. We see some hot areas around Indianapolis. Peoria, Illinois. Looks like that might be a hot spot in that location. It says Creve Coeur, Illinois. High temperatures 90s for the next several days in that area. If we could find an airport there, that would be very cool. It doesn't look like we could find an airport there. Anyway, so that's the story. If you have anything more to say, we'll add it on.